Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, guys, we are making Mama Bui's two favorite eggplant recipes. I found myself with a pile of tomatoes and eggplants after shopping the farmer's market, and today I decided to whip up these two delicious dishes for dinner. So guys, you know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time, so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna start with the stir fry eggplant. Let's get started. With this recipe, we are going to roast our eggplants, then we stir fry them. Start by trimming off the top and bottom of the eggplant. If desired, you can peel away the thick skin. Cut eggplants lengthwise and then cut into small chunks. With this recipe, guys, there's no need to salt first, as we are going to bathe them and stir fry the eggplants. As you can see, with this eggplant, there's a lot of seeds, but I did trim a lot. You can leave them, guys, it's up to your preference. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil on a baking dish. Add the eggplants. Then we're gonna season with salt and roast them for 20 minutes. At 20 minutes mark, remove the eggplants and flip them, then put them back in the oven to continue to cook for another 10 minutes. While our eggplants are roasting, we're gonna move on now to work on the onions. In a medium skillet, heat 3 tablespoons of canola oil over medium-high heat. Add onions and stir fry for 4 to 6 minutes until the onions are tender and soft. Guys, this recipe is so easy and is so flavorful. The onions have been cooking for almost 6 minutes and our eggplants are ready. Now we're gonna add the eggplants to the red onions. Give it a good stir. Next, we're gonna add hoisin sauce. Red pepper flakes. We're gonna also toss in paprika. And soy sauce. Then we're gonna give it a good mix and let it stir fry for another 3 minutes. Add green onions. Voila, and our dish is done, guys. Transfer into a serving bowl. With this recipe, guys, you can serve this stir fry over white or brown rice and turn into a main course. Garnish it with green onions, and there you have it, guys. When you bring it to the table, it's gonna be oohs and ahs, guys, yumminess. So now let's move on to work on our second eggplant recipe. This one is tomato and eggplant bake. This one is loaded with cheese, guys. If you are a cheese lover, then this is your recipe. So let's get started. Start by trimming off the top and bottom of the eggplant. Like the first one, if desired, you can peel away the thick skin. Slice into 1/2 to 1 inch rounds. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper or paper towels. Arrange eggplant slices in a single layer on a baking sheet. Sprinkle each slice of eggplant generously with salt on both sides. Then we're gonna let them sweat for 30 to 60 minutes. By salting the eggplants, it helps to remove excess liquid and some bitterness. When ready, blot off the surface liquid and any remaining salt left on the eggplant. Just like so, guys. Next, we're gonna line the baking sheet with a clean parchment paper. Then place the sliced eggplants in a single layer. Season with salt, then brush with oil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While our eggplants are roasting, we're gonna go ahead and slice our cheese and the tomatoes. Slice cheese and tomatoes into 1/2 inch rounds. The eggplants are out of the oven, guys. Now it's time to assemble our tomato and eggplant bake. First, we're gonna coat our baking sheet with olive oil. Then we're gonna place 1 slice of eggplant followed by mozzarella cheese. Then tomato slice, and followed by another mozzarella cheese slice. Top with another slice of eggplant. Sprinkle Gruyere cheese and Parmesan cheese. Then we're gonna bake this for another 20 minutes. Our tomato and eggplant bake are out of the oven, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring a bell so every time I upload a new video, you get notified, and leave a comment, guys. Garnish with fresh parsley, and you are done, guys. Dinner is ready to be served. You can serve this with marinara sauce or as a sandwich. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Share this video with your friends and your family. Tell them what Mama Bui is doing in her kitchen. Until next time, guys. Bye. honey for my honey, by my honey.